Hi, welcome to Seduction Marketing Channel. I'm Soraya and I help online freelancers get their ideal clients at their ideal rates through my seduction marketing techniques. One of the most common questions I get in my inbox is, how do I approach a prospect if I don't have enough self-confidence? So one of the main things that are stopping or hindering freelancers from actually going out there and approaching their ideal prospects is they feel that they lack the confidence. So the question is, how do you develop unshakable confidence for when you go and get your clients, for when you go and talk to your prospects? So in this video, I'll be talking all about confidence and how to develop it, even if you're not that good or experienced yet. Some freelancers say that confidence for them is actually knowing how to speak well, being fluent in English, or having that charismatic appeal that will magnetize prospects. Most people think that confidence actually comes from that skill of speaking well, speaking fluently, just not feeling shy at all. But actually, confidence is very different. Confidence can be learned. It's not something you're born with. It's actually a skill that you can learn and cultivate. The real meaning of confidence is when you know that you can offer something of value that someone else needs. Then you will have confidence to actually talk to that person. It's not about having good communication skills. It's not about being a great speaker. It's not about being fluent in English, but it's about your value. It's about how you perceive yourself and trust yourself enough. So it's all about knowing that you can actually solve a problem. It's having that unshakable belief and trust in your ability to solve problems, to give value. And it has nothing to do with your skills, your experience, your portfolio, or your results. Because anyone can actually help anyone. It's basically just having that belief that yes, I can help this person. Having that desire to help someone else. And it doesn't really have to be you who's good. You can always refer them to someone if your skills don't match what they need. But the bottom line is, once you know how to ask a person what they need, what their problems are, what their challenges are, and then you show them that you're very willing to help them and actually show them how to help them, how you can help them, they will develop that trust in you. They will like you instant. And that will even make you more confident to face them. People don't really buy because you're smart, you're good in English, you're good looking, you're fluent, you speak charismatically, but people actually buy from people they like and trust. And just basically helping someone out, actually helping people with their problems, will develop their trust in you, and that will build your confidence in yourself as you go and do it again and again and again. Another thing is, confidence also comes when you let go of all expectations. You will stop sounding desperate, you will stop sounding nervous, or you will stop sounding like this shy freelancer who's unsure of their skills once you just let go of that expectation of closing the sale. Because sometimes when we have that expectation that we have to close the deal on this first conversation or this discovery call, then that expectation puts pressure on us, and we now focus on that pressure like it's something that feels like a threat, it's something that we feel fearful of, and so it blocks most of the processes in our brain. It blocks how we process things because we're only focused on the fear of actually not making the sale. Now, if we release that expectation and detach from that outcome and just let go and, just go with the flow of the conversation and just actually like to genuinely help people, ask them questions, pressure will then be released from you because you're no longer pressuring yourself to close the sale. At the same time, your very confident that, you're just here because you want to help the person, because they might need something that you actually can offer. And if it ends up that you find out that you can't actually help them, then it's still okay because you don't have any expectations. So the two main things you can do to develop unshakable confidence when you're talking to prospects is, number one, just come from a place of help instead of, thinking that you need to impress someone. When you know that you can help someone, that actually builds your confidence, because you don't really need to be good or great at something in order to know how to help solve people's problems. You just need to ask them the right questions and develop that trust in you by making them feel that you just sincerely want to help them. You're very interested in their business, in their challenges and concerns, instead of just pushing products and services to them when you're not really sure if they need it or not. And number two, confidence comes when you release and let go of all expectations and detach from the outcome of closing the deal or making a sale. So those are just the two things that I did in order to develop confidence. Because honestly, I was an introvert before and I wasn't really good in public speaking. I was really afraid of speaking to clients. But when I developed those two things and changed my mindset to just helping people and just believing I can help and solve problems, and then just detaching and letting go of any expectations from the conversation, that's when my confidence started to build up. If this video has helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get more videos like this every week. And if you have any suggestions, questions, any topics that you want us to discuss about freelancing, sales calls, overcoming objections, sales pitches, anything about your freelancing career, mindset, anything that's troubling you, you can comment them down below and I'll make sure to answer them in the next episode. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.